Your iPhone is stuck on installing Roblox and won't finish? This often happens due to network glitches, storage issues, or App Store bugs. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix it and fix the installing Roblox stuck problem on your iPhone. Let's get Roblox installed right now. Before doing anything else, turn off the Do Not Disturb mode and low power mode. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And now, try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the apps you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap the Delete app again. Solution 2. Force close and restart the App Store. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Find the App Store. Now swipe it up and off the screen to close it. Open the App Store again and try downloading Roblox again. If you are still facing the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see a software update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And there you have it. I hope your installing Roblox stuck error is fixed now. If the video helped you out, then make sure to give this video a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and take care.